Is your online presence looking about as rough as that first pancake at breakfast? Looks like a beef patty made of bread. No worries, my friend. In this video, we'll cover consumer behavior online, search engine optimization, building trust for your business, and how to engage on social media. All good things to know when it comes to enhancing your digital identity. First up, consumer behavior. Bright Local, an SEO tracking platform, recently found 98% of folks turn to the internet for information about local businesses. That same survey named Google as the most trusted review platform. My mom used to be my most trusted place for reviews, but I no longer find her reliable after that last Mexican restaurant suggestion. Mom, the salsa tasted like tomato water, the tortillas were trash, and the carne asada had the texture of gravel and the aroma of pit sweat. Love you. Bright Local says 87% of consumers use Google to check out local businesses, so your business's top focus online should be Google. Speaking of Google, let's talk search engine optimization, or SEO. Did you know that less than 1% of users scroll past the first page of search results? Earning a top spot in search engine results pages, aka SERPs, is super important if you want your business to stand out. See that yellow tulip? Yeah, that's not gonna be your business if you're not on the first page of search results. Even if you're not ranking for flower shop, ranking for flower shop with succulents in Scottsdale is still a win. The message here, be a yellow tulip. And what do yellow tulips do? They utilize SEO. Well, they don't. That was just... Here are some SEO techniques to try. Claim and polish your listings on platforms like Google Business Profile and Yelp. Optimize listings with great content like vivid photos, engaging descriptions, great keywords, and maybe even an occasional video. Always keep your operational hours up to date, conduct keyword research for your website, and apply the same approach to your listings. Here's a tip from a former strategic partner manager at Google. By not using all of the free features Google offers, such as website creation, ad hosting, or GMB messaging, many businesses are missing out on business building opportunities. Regularly updated GMB profiles receive 5 times more views. That's 5. 5 times more views. That's 10. Okay, now let's talk about building trust. Platforms like Yelp, Facebook, and Google aren't just digital communities, they're where people get real. What they have to say could make or break the trust a potential customer might put in your business, so go the extra mile and turn reviewers into a loyal fan base of customers. How do you do that? Engage with all reviews, whether they're positive, negative, or somewhere in between. It'll show you genuinely care about and appreciate every customer's journey. Bonus tip for negative reviews, try to make it right, then ask them to update their review. Boom! That's the magic of building trust. All right. We've talked about consumer behavior, search engine optimization, building trust, and now it's time for how to engage on social media. GWI, an audience research company, recently conducted a study and found 31% of consumers discovered new brands through social media. Its potential is undeniable, but embarking on every social platform isn't the key. Strategy is. Let's take a look at an example. Glossier. It's a digitally native beauty brand that built a cult-like following through social media. How? They knew their target audience, Millennial and Gen Z consumers who were digital natives. They focused on channels where their audience is frequented, and instead of just posting product images, Glossier engaged with its followers, asking for feedback and often resharing user-generated content. This helps create a community feel and a bond between the brand and its customers. Ooh, I need that dewy look. You can apply this approach to your business too. Know your audience. Where do they spend most of their time online? Focus on those channels and produce content they'll connect with. Be transparent, relatable, and consistently engaged. And if you need help with that, we, Nextiva, might have some products that could assist you in reaching your goals. Check out that blog link in our description for more info. All right, we've covered consumer behavior online, search engine optimization, building trust for your business, and how to engage on social media. I think you're ready, my friend, to enhance your online presence. Have another business communications question? Ask in the comments. And as always, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next vlog powered by Amazing Service. Until next time. Tortillas or tortillas works. Narrative. A narrative of a customer's journey. I'm a Muppet today. Let's take a look at an example.